Hi, this is Stacy from Gooseberry Bridge Farm, and this is
Molly,
and we are opening up some boots today. We're here to tell you about our new boots, I think. I don't know, we're actually going to open the boxes, so let's look at our boots. Molly says we are unboxing the boots. We have
That's what this is called.
2 new pairs of boots from, what do you think, Hisea?
I don't know. Did they
Hisea.
not tell you how to pronounce it?
They did not.
Wow.
Maybe I should look that up.
Okay, well.
All right, so we have these 2 pairs of boots from this company that no one seems to know how to pronounce the name of. It's either Hisea
Or Hisea.
Hisea.
I think
Hisea,
it was.
Hisea.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They didn't tell us, but.
So we tried to look it up and couldn't find anything, but we are going to open the boots now. We've had boots from them before. We've used their kids' boots and
these are mine.
their chicken boots. Yes, these are Molly's boots. Molly and her fancy Halloween nails.
Yeah. Yeah, I usually don't have my
cool.
nails done.
We were looking for a short, sturdy farm boot.
Yeah.
Because tall boots can be kind of annoying to put on and off all the time. And then let's see what my boots look like. So this is my boots. Handily, me and Molly wear the same size, so we can really just share. These are a garden rain boot, I think it said. So they're not quite as sturdy as these, but they feel like they will be good. This part is supposed to fold up. Can you do that real quick, Molly?
And these are a little
like camera.
A little lighter.
Yes,
mine are more heavy. Mine are more heavy duty.
So if the idea here is if it's raining, you pull this thing up and you close the string.
Oh yes.
To keep the water
and it keeps
from,
your pants or your socks wet.
Yeah.
Or dry. It keeps your socks from getting wet.
Right. From getting wet. In the rain.
Keeps your socks wet.
And
you can also keep them wet.
It's hard to see in this light, but these are purple. They're a very pretty color.
Okay, so
Molly can get these on, or makes our floor look really dirty in the camera. Oh, look at that.
ah, perfect.
Easy to slip on.
And it fits perfectly.
True to size.
Yeah, and it feels really sturdy.
And there's stickers on our floor.
Comfortable.
She's standing on our ForJars mats. It's really nice.
Yeah.
They're kind of off.
And they
show that we don't prepare for these things.
And they have plenty of toe room, so I can actually move my toes.
Yeah, I can completely spread out my toes
like,
in these.
Right now, yeah, my toes are completely spread out, literally touching the edges.
All right, so I'm gonna show how these work on me. Okay, the first one I was able to slide right on without even messing with it. Now, if we didn't want this waterproof thing, because we don't need that all the time, so it doesn't always rain, it just folds back down and is completely out of the way, which I really like, though I think my goats will probably like to chew on that, don't you think, Molly?
Yeah.
But that's okay. It takes them quite a lot of chewing to do any damage, and we can tuck that little drawstring thing up. And I really like how wide this part is, because that makes it easier to put them on, but they still don't like fall off when you step up. And these are really light. You would probably like to try these too. Okay, now we're trading shoes.
Yeah, they're super easy to take off too. No hands.
Yep.
These are even easier to slip on than mine.
These are both easy. So I have another brand of boots that look similar in height to these, and I cannot put them on without sitting down and pulling and struggling, and that is annoying. So these are much better. I think those are even a little bigger. They're wider.
Yeah, well these
are the same size.
No, these are actually, they're a little bit bigger here, I think. Not like too big, but like a little bigger in the ankle, and a little bit smaller up here. Like
weird.
But it's still, they still both fit. Well, we also have different size feet, or different shaped feet, same size.
So each pair of these boots comes with one of these cards. It has a number on the back. I assume the numbers are different. Yep, they're different.
Oh, you're gonna have to blue those.
Yeah, well, there's a one-time number. All right, so the warranty on these boots that we were just talking about is a lifetime warranty on manufacturer's defects and whatnot, but it is not does not cover wear and tear. However, there's a 1 year warranty that has no conditions, and that's what it says. It says no conditions. It's on their website. I will post a little picture of it here. I don't know about you, but I wear out boots. Ooh, the glares on my glasses are driving me crazy. Really fast.
Like
to wear out boots within a year is nothing for me. And,
Yeah,
and Molly.
my average is like 6 to 9 months.
Yep.
My latest pair of boots
The cat
lasted
in an
11
appropriate
months
place.
because I didn't wear them the whole time. I wore winter boots for a few months.
Yeah.
Like we wear them like for hours every single day.
Yeah.
So unless these are like extra, which they
We'll
might
see.
be.
They might be. We'll try 'em. I actually haven't worn out my chicken boots, but I don't always wear them.
Yeah, you don't wear them that
There's
often.
really a cat in an inappropriate place. This is the cat in the inappropriate place.
She's on top of the rabbit cage.
And then climbing around. Wait. Okay, so Molly has something else she needs to tell you really quick.
Oh my gosh. So I have this thing on my neck. It's very suspicious.
She was bit by a vampire.
Yeah, it's actually a temporary tattoo, so.
Halloween. I've been out here planting tulips in a cold, misty rain, and I was getting my new boots pretty muddy. It made me think that I should tell you guys how they're doing. So, these are awesome boots. My feet aren't cold at all, which is amazing, really. And they're not wet, so that's good. And the mud washes off pretty easily, so they're comfortable. I still really like that I can move my toes and there's just a little more room in them than most of my other farm boots. And as far as I know, Molly still likes hers too, and I will let you know if anything changes.
They're great boots. Yep, I needed new boots. They're new boots.
That's Molly's opinion on the boots.
They're good and easy to put on. I've been put on the spot here, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, give her. Are they comfy?
Are they comfortable?
They're good boots.
Are they warm?
No.
Are they dry?
Yes.
Okay.
They're summer boots, okay?
They're summer boots?
They're dry.
Mine are like
they're easy to put
oddly
on,
warm.
they're sleek. Look at that style.
Yeah, look at that style.
Alex thinks they're cool. Yep. All right.
Alex is just trying to save my horrible video.
Okay. Well, I'll just
Okay, bye.
bye.